Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by defining a clear target, what you will automate and how you'll measure success. Once defined, pick the platform that matches your team's skills, Python for scripts, RPA for UI-heavy workflows, and install minimal tools. Make sure you secure test accounts and API keys. Use scope tokens. Then create a tiny prototype that performs one subtask so you can validate access and data formats. This first loop proves feasibility and reduces risk before expanding. Now you construct the core flow. You design modular functions so you can test pieces independently. Once done, implement robust error handling and retries to make the automation resilient. Make operations idempotent so repeated runs don't cause duplicates. Add structured logging and telemetry to understand failures and performance. Integrate tests that simulate edge cases and run them in staging. After each successful test, increase scope, chain more steps, but keep modules small to simplify debugging and future changes. When you're ready, deploy via CI/CD and roll out gradually so you limit blast radius. Use feature flags to control exposure. Monitor metrics continuously, failure rates, latency, and resource consumption, and configure alerts for anomalies. If something breaks, first inspect structured logs and replay the exact input in a safe environment to reproduce the bug. Make sure to check timeouts, retries, and idempotency logic. Often increasing a timeout or handling a specific error case fixes it quickly. Then iterate and refine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.